Hi, hello, welcome to my channel. This is Sam. Alright, so today we want to look at blogs.io. Alright, so this is a tool I made available by EOS Cafe and HKOS. Alright, I don't know if I pronounced that right. Right, but personally, I so love this tool right here. Why? Because it's a combination of different tools that I've used already on EOS. And so let's just look at the different features it has. All right, so it has scroll back up, the price of EOS, the market cap, the head block, the current producer at that time, the price of 1 KB of RAM. This is a 7-day chart of the price of RAM. It has a RAM calculator in case you're building a DApp, you want to know the amount of EOS you need to build that DApp. Alright. It has a calculator there. And also these are the block producers, right? It indicates those block producers that are currently producing, and as they shuffle, it tells you, okay, this guy is producing right now. Bitfinex is producing, and after a while it will leave there and go somewhere else. Right, so in case you're not aware, there are always top block producers. That's why 21 is here, right? So it means this guy is here among the top 21 block producers, right? So and they produce blocks at different times on blockchain. All right. So these are the top 21 block producers, and I love the fact that their logo is showing behind their name. All right. So this is US New York, and this is their logo. All right. So this is their ranking, number 3. All right. It's showing. This means they're active right now, and it also shows the location of each of these BP. Alright, so US New York is in Cook Island. Alright, so it shows their location, and that is really cool. Alright, so one of the reasons why I love this, and also it shows their rewards per day. Alright, so let's go to something else. It also shows live transactions. These are the transactions that are going on per minute or per second. Each transaction as they go on, this is where you see them. Right. I think there was a time blockchain.info was showing something like this. Well, this is really cool. Right. You can also search for a transaction, and that is really cool. And also they have a voting portal, right, where you can vote for um, your 30, your top 30 block producers, right? So you're voting up to 30 block producers, right, to keep the chain safe. All right. So you want to vote? They already have EOS Cafe and HKOS blog producers already selected by default because I think they deserve that. So if you want to add any other blog producers to this, you just type their name to it, and I wonder why it's not responding. Alright, so to vote for any of these blog producers, you just have to click any of them. Alright, and you vote. Of course, before you vote, you have to connect um, blocks.io to Scatter, right? If you don't know how to use Scatter, I'll drop a link in the description to learn, so you can learn how to use Scatter, right? So it's very simple, right? So Scatter is a tool that you can use on your browser, mostly Chrome, and you add your private keys or your key or your owner key or active key, and then do whatever you want to do on any um, interface, right? Alright, so this is another tab, right? So the token tab. So what it does is it shows you the different tokens on on EOS blockchain right now and their market capitalization. This is like having coin market cap on having your own private coin market cap, but for tokens on EOS, right? It's really cool. It has their name, their logo, their market capitalization in USD. Um, Price of each of the token currently in USD, and the price in EOS. You see the price in EOS, the supply and a contract. All right, this is really really. Alright, so I think the highest market capitalization here is Wikipedia. That's cool. Also, next tab that we have here is the tool tab. As you can see, you can link this to Scatter. You can use it to transfer um, tokens from one person to another, and you can use it to create accounts, to change permission, to buy or sell RAM, to stake and unstake CPU and net. Also, this last tool right here um, shows the top holders on EOS, and this is really cool. Alright, so I'm going to drop a link to this website so you guys can check it out and drop feedback on what. Okay, this is it. These are the top 100 EOS token holders. Alright, so this is B1, block 1. Alright, any Bitfinex, we all know Bitfinex. So that's that about blocks.io. Is a wonderful tool made by EOS Cafe. I think I'm using it for the first time today, and I'm in love with it already. Alright, so thanks for watching.